Okay guys, today we have this Blink Mini cameras that we bought. We're gonna open up the box and let's see what comes inside. We get the option of the two units, which I think that it's nice. And as you can see, they come with this black color and everything that you're gonna need to do the installation and use them, like the charging cable. In this little box we get the power adapters so we can plug it in, and we also get the usual manual with all the important information on how to install it, how to pair them with the application, and everything that we need to know about them. In these little bags that are come included, we get all the screws that we're gonna need to do the installation for each of the cameras, which I think is really nice. Both units come protected with this little film that we can take off, and once that we have it ready, this is how the cameras look. In the back we get the power port where we're gonna connect the USB Type-C port, and this base is detachable so you can take it out and just installing the main base into the wall, into the ceiling if you wanted. This is the reset button. Okay, and in the back of the camera, as I've said, we are going to plug in the cable that comes included so we can power it on. As I've said, it's just a regular USB Type-C that we are gonna just plug in into the main unit and then into the electrical outlet, albeit with the power adapter that comes included or with any other way that you can install them. As I've said, the installation of these bases is really simple. You just need two screws and that's it. You get a cover plate so the screws aren't at the side, which I think that it's nice. And once that you have the base all installed up into the wall or where you're gonna place them, you just have to snap on the main unit so it stays in place and adjust the position where it will be recording where you place it, which I think that it's nice. Okay, so as you can see, it's a really easy process, so let's test it out. Okay guys, as you can see, we placed this camera in here outside, so we're gonna look through the videos of the application. Right now, as you can see, it's almost completely dark. Okay, and you'll see the clarity of the videos, how it looks, how the application works, and everything. Okay, as you could see, we placed this camera upside down like this, but through the application it will change so that we get the video, the orientation the right way. Okay, so let's test them out. Okay guys, in the application we can select different devices, different places. We can select all the different clips. We can see even past clips, and we can see if this is a direct view of what is happening right now, or if it's a time that a person was detected, any kind of movement was detected, which I think that is a really nice function that I think that's gonna come useful when we are looking through the videos. We can see them in the big screen like this, the horizontal view, which I think that it's nice. That way you can see all the details of it. And in any case, if you had different cameras in different places, you can divide them and you can live see what is happening, which I think that it's really nice. You can use it to talk to any kind of person that it's in the place where we have the camera. We can turn on or off the light if we need it. We can save a video in the cloud storage or activate the microphone, which I think that it's really nice. We can also filter out all the clips through the different devices and all the different places that we got them. We can also filter out through the different notifications that it is, if it's a movement or anything else, which also can be really helpful when we are looking through the notifications of a person in a single area, which I think that can be really helpful in case that you need it. And overall, because they are really easy to set up, really great at keeping tabs on the place that you are installing them, I think that it's gonna be perfect to place them anywhere that you like them or need them. And overall, I will really recommend them. See you guys.